Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I am Roshni, your friend, and I am back here again with one more opportunity for you. So this is about the vacancy that has been out from the BEL. BEL has released BEL Panchkula Senior Assistant Engineer notification, and there are 10 vacancies out there. Friends, this is our official website, Jobs Junction. You can reach out to us using www.jobsjunction.org. Let's discuss about the vacancy in detail, and please be with us till the end of the video because हम complete discussion करेंगे from the application to the selection procedure. You can see this is the brief information. Positions जो आई हैं senior assistant engineer के लिए आई हैं. Qualification requirement यहाँ diploma अगर आपने engineering में किया है then you are eligible to apply and application procedure will be online. Bharat Electronic Limited has released this notification. Important dates की अगर हम बात करें then starting date for application will be 26th of Feb and the last date to apply will be 19th of March. So please do not waste time. This is the last date. Go and fill the form after watching the video. Application fee. The ex-servicemen candidates are exempted from the payment of application fee. Talking about the eligibility, if you have done diploma then you are eligible. Pay scale will be 30,000 to 1,20,000 and age limit is 50 years as on 1st Feb 2025. These are all the important links to apply online, to download notification, official website, and you can get everything at this one place. So it's a one stop solution. कोई भी लिंक आपको अप्लाई करने के लिए जब आप प्रिपरेशन करते हैं किसी एग्जामिनेशन की, किसी अच्छी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन की, then you have to clear an examination, and for that we have released our test series, Jobs Junction test series, and right now आप मेरा कूपन कोड अप्लाई करके jobs20 JOBS20 एडिशनली 20% डिस्काउंट गेट कर सकते हैं. दैट विल डेफिनेटली हेल्प यू आउट इन शेपिंग योर करियर. दीज आर द लिंक. नोटिफिकेशन रीड आउट करना इज इंपॉर्टेंट. विद अ सिंगल क्लिक वी कैन रीच टू notification. So this will be the notification of the official notification from the BEL ends. Bharat Electronic Limited. It's a Navratna company and it has various perks. So it is a dream of every engineer to be part of Navratna or Maharatna company. So you should not miss this chance. Post की अगर हम बात करते हैं, this tenure of 5 years. Dates will be 1/2/2025. You have to calculate your age, friends. आपकी upper age जो calculation करनी है, education की calculation करनी है, that will this be valid or not. आपकी dates क्या रहेंगी? 1st of Feb 2025. पे स्केल 30,000 to 1,20,000 है. मैक्सिमम एज आपका 50+ ईयर्स है. अप्लाई करने के लिए एजुकेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन डिप्लोमा इन इंजीनियरिंग. इट शुड बी फ्रॉम, यहाँ आपका पास होना चाहिए. परसेंटेज यहाँ आपके मैटर एग्जैक्टली नहीं रिक्वायरमेंट है. एंड देन जिस चीज़ों का आपको ध्यान रखना है, दैट द एप्लीकेंट्स हुज डिसिप्लिन स्पेशलाइजेशन स्टडीड मेंशन इन देयर डिप्लोमा सर्टिफिकेट्स do not tally with the prescribed in the advertisement will not be considered for selection. So candidature आपका strong होना चाहिए. While applying you should take care of all these do's and don'ts. The degree must be recognized by Indian University incorporated by an act of central or state legislature in India or other educational institution established by the act of parliament. So it's important. Candidates designation या senior assistant की जो है rank in defense forces for eligibility. अगर आप ex serviceman के कैटेगरी से अप्लाई करते देन यू शुड हैव एन JCO फ्रॉम आर्मी, नेवी और एयरफोर्स, एंड यू शुड हैव अ मिनिमम पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस. ये एक एक्सपीरियंस जॉब है, सो यहाँ आपके पास मिनिमम पोस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन एक्सपीरियंस 15 ईयर्स की रिक्वायरमेंट है. सो प्लीज़ कंसिडर दिस. तो फ्रेशर के लिए ये वाली पोस्ट अवेलेबल नहीं है. इंपॉर्टेंट डेट जो याद रखनी है, दैट इज़ 1st Feb 2025. एज लिमिट 50 ईयर्स आपकी मैक्सिमम एज बताई गई है. रिलैक्सेशन इज गिवन एज पर द गवर्नमेंट नॉर्म्स. 5 years for SC candidates, 3 years for the OBC non-creamy layer. For getting the benefits of reservation under OBC non-creamy layer category, ये आपके कुछ criterias हैं. You should be able to produce all the important certificates and considering with the date of 1st Feb 2025. And the certificate must contain date of issuing allowance with the name of caste spelled exactly in the same manner as appearing in the central list. And for getting the benefits of reservation under SC category, these are the criteria. So please friends, अपना candidature strong रखने के लिए you should follow all the terms and condition. That is why notification को read करना important होता है. एक बार go through definitely आपको करना चाहिए from with the notification so that आपका candidature strong रहे and आपके absorption के chances वहाँ पे increase हों. And this was all about this. The remuneration we have discussed, 30,000 to 1,20,000. Job profile is given. You have to product support activities at project sites such as JRI, SAT, installation and commissioning, warranty support, other operation and maintenance activities में आपका involvement रहेगा. Customer support activities and marketing activities at site location, and the job is indicated above is illustrative and not exhaustive. So this is explain कि these are the possibility कि आपको सारे काम करने पड़े. Method of selection की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो यहाँ आपका screening and selection will be based on the details provided. That means आपका candidature यहाँ बहुत important role play करेगा. Selection will be based on the performance of the candidates in both the written test and the interview. And after shortlisting, there will be an interview and the written test. And for the written test preparation, you can visit our test series. Link is available on the website. Description box में भी link attach कर दी गई है. इसके अपार्ट में अगर आपको कोई भी doubt होता है, then you can reach out to us via comment or by joining our Telegram or WhatsApp group. Date is 19th of March, so it's the last date, so do not miss the chance. If you are aligning, then please apply, and I'll be coming again with another vacancy. Until then, take care, keep applying. Thank you.